Basic information on COVID-19. 1. How can one tell if they suspect it? The case definitions are based on the current information available and will be revised as soon as new information accumulates. 2. Suspect case. A patient with acute respiratory illness, fever, and at least one sign or symptom of respiratory disease. For example, cough, shortness of breath, and a history of travel to or residence in a country or area or territory reporting local transmission of COVID-19 disease during the 14 days prior to symptom onset. Or B, a patient with any acute respiratory illness and having been in contact with a confirmed or probable COVID-19 case in the last 14 days prior to onset of symptoms. Or C, a patient with severe acute respiratory infection, fever, at least one sign or symptom of respiratory disease. For example, cough, shortness of breath, and requiring hospitalization, and with no other etiology that fully explains the clinical presentation. Confirmed case, a person with laboratory confirmation of COVID-19 infection, irrespective of clinical signs and symptoms. The City of Bulawayo Health Service Department, HSD, requires your cooperation and assistance in ensuring that suspected cases are diagnosed early and necessary infection control measures and contact tracing are followed to prevent the spread of the disease.
It's day 2 of the lockdown, and clearly people cannot stay in houses because of many social problems. We are here at Nketa 6 where there is a huge queue for Millie Meal this side, and also there is a queue for gas that side. We've moved around town and we've seen that also people are queuing for water, and the people that we talk to, they say they are better off going to work than coming here to crowd because they are not practicing social distancing at all. One old man said, how can we practice social distancing when we are hungry? So clearly there is a problem when it comes to the delivery of Millie Meal, because this is what people are here for. Talking to people, they are saying most of this Millie Meal that is delivered here will end up in the black market being sold for $180 when it's only $70 in the shops. So we hope that authorities are going to do something when it comes to the supply of the Millie Meal, because it is one thing that makes people not to stay in their houses. Social distancing.
Social distance abantu belambile sifuna ukudla siphume sihambe nxa kufiwa kakufiwe one time sife ngoba kulamuntu ozajeda la abanye bangena phakathi kwethu
so lina lingathini kuhulumende?
Angizwa
lingathini kuhulumende?
Uhulumende kabisa umumbu la awungathathwa amagonye ethu ye kwezinye indawo awubuye ezigayweni zakithi sigayelwe usithenga impuphu kuhle kuyaphela lokho 1 hour. Singafaka umumbu 1 hour kakukula muntu ongathone lindile la ngenxa ukuthi akula mumbu siyanikwa 2 abantu bonke laba kunikwe 2 kuzazuzakala futhi kusasa kunikwe 2 siyaphela njani line asinikwe ka 1 sonke sithenge konke siqede sihambe impuphu le 10 kg bathi $70 bafuna cash akula swipe akula eco cash isiyayithatha kubani cash ayikho.
So lesikhathi singanandlela
sikusukele kuseni lokhu sila ikhathesi okujama 12 sokusiyidinga siyiboni kumbe sizayifica khathesi silayine kangaka sikwazi sizabuye silambe futhi
vele akula ngakutsho ngaphandle ukuthi vele ngiyazilambela kuphela hayi bazakhuluma abanye mina ngiyalamba vele ngifuna ukudla kuphela ngiselayini sesisaba le corona ukuthi corona leyo sengiyesaba khona mina sengilala
alame ngiyathaba ke ngifika ke bona cela ke kubuye impuphu ozwayo yobika khona.
So kuthiwa imali ngiye impuphu le
$70.
So lithola cash ya $70
ngilayo
mina wesikhathi singabe
akudasi isile kuseni
ilayini inkulu la simelele yona impuphu njana libona le mali sizithwele so ungawazukulu ngale kufuna ukudla.
Alesaba ukuthi lizathola icorona manje njengoba liminyene kangaka?
Siyasaba kodwa kula plan ngoba bafuna iporridge bafunani. Akula plan ikho siphonga umuminyana nje umuntu okuzavela yikho.
Sendinelo othi ngakhuluma ngithini. Kodwa ke alibana ukuthi bayananzelela abantu bamashophu bangagcina abantu elayinini. Isikhathi esimileyo ngaso lapha impuphu ikhona ngabe sebethengise abantu bahamba. So lokho sifuqana khona pa ende khona kokubuzayo sizagcina sesithatha imikhuhlane khona la. So sizubuhluku kodwa kule indlela esingayenza ngabe kulokudla izindlela ngabe sisihlalele ngamakhaya.
Since kudala simile laba simile lamalana lawo empuphu. Kodwa labo obomthetho sibili sakwazi basebenzela uhulumende. Thina singabantwana sibili silambile ezindlini la kodwa labo bengasihlukuluzzi. Manxa simile emalani bami besitshele ngesihle nokuthi besethele ngama-button stick ngoba thina siphila kuleli lizwe singabalanga besixolele.
So lina njengoba ukuthi abantu beme 1 meter liminyene phela la.
Siminyene ukuminyana baba yazi abantu manxa sebekudala bemile bengatshelwa ngesihle abantu banjani bayatsheda nokuthi kuyethusela abantu ngama-button stick. Into lesicela ukuthi sibili bengayenzi njalo abantwana beZimbabwe ngoba laba siyahawula. Ukuhawula lokho ayisukuthi siyazithandela siyazifunela umumo welizwe kuphela. Mina ngendaba yombulo ngithi abantu manxa sibilelanini kasiphiweni ngendlela lesilane ngayo $70 enale either cash mbeko cash ezilonga ithenga kodwa thina sicela ukuthi abantu bomthetho sibili besigcine nothi kusihlukuluza kuphela into lesicelayo.
So lesikhathi singanandela yini?
Mina ngime since ngo9. Katheza ngayitholi katheza ngikwazi abantwana bayadlana namhlanje endlini. Abantu abadala bangaka abalimayo bathela umbe GMB sise siulandela siuswele khathesi lithi silayine sivula izikhala zecorona kuyavuleka kuthini abantu belambile ake lizama into eqondileyo madoda nxa libatshela ekhona kuba khekheleza nxa lifuna sihambe kibo khona ngale makitchen abo siyahamba siyongena sibatshela
lina belifisa ukuthi ngakuyenziwani lapha mntana.
Impuphu kayibe khona kokuphela ingaswelakala konke silayine kokuphela so siza kufa siphele ngenxa yecorona. Akula muntu otshedayo. Uhulumende uyala uthi yena siyayitransmita khathesi nxa inje so izakilela ukutransmita. Iya kuba ningi. Uzayiqeda ngani? Faka impuphu kuphele konke lokho.
Nawusiyana kinda kubasa kahle. It's better off production ichitwenda mberi. Than kuunganiza vanhu vachitotora more corona.
Hurumende ati mugare muZimbabwe.
Unogara muZimbabwe usina chokudya. Hamugariki kamba mari. Kana ani chero imbwa yako aivharira isina kudya. Inotongowana minzi dzokubuda chete. At least better off vanhu vari kubasa than kuunganidza vanhu. This is more dangerous than kunge uri kubasa.
So are you hopeful kuti muchawana ufu wacho?
Hope ndo pasina. Ngovimba na Mwari. Because ukaona zviri kuitika vadhara vakaita sevava vhesa sivana vele equation yacho haifambirani kuti vadhara nevana because unongopushwa uchiinda kusaidi uchipushwa uchiinda kusaidi katarira yako zvino kuri kupinda vafana vechidiki.
Nyaya yedu ndeyekuti panapa upfu hunouya nditi asi mashopu aya anoti tinoda cash eko cash atidi iyo yeko yaningikiriyo inoti hayo tinoda yeko yachopisi inoti tinoda chero swipe chero eko cash ava vade havanotoda cash. Ende futi izvozvi zvitarisai kuti isu tiri vanhu vakuru tomira palaini since kuseni takangomira panapa pamwe tinotombodona. Apa mapurisa akauya ukomberi kweduko vanotora upfu ndo vanotora voisa murodhumu nemadzimai avo totenga upfu uchita $150 10 kg. So zvinotirwadza hatizi kuti tichawana here upfu. Korona iyi tiri kuitya chose mwanangu asi nyaya yatibudisa mbandiyo yokuti hatina chokuita isu dema matikwanisira matitorera masoja amira apa nepfuti dzawo kuti tinyatsomiswa zvakanaka nokuti masoja ndatakatoona kuti ndasina nichi corruption nokuti mapurisa enyaya yasviwana Mwari akanaka chose pakutichengetedza muno munyika kasi pakudya apa ndopavanotikanganisa ravo vanotora upfu
chiri kutinetsa pamapurisa apa hai izvozvo vatora upfu wese anomaona vabuda vachiendayo kuri kuuya wamwe isu vanobuda ne2 tochizopedza ipapo vakuti tona vakadzi vavo vanenge vakagara murodhi ndivanenge vakutengesera 180 chi10 kg ipapo vanenge vatenga ne70 ndo zvimwe zviri kuti shungurudza izvozvo zvinandikuye mapurisa masoja toda masoja chaiwo hatisi kuda mapurisa tiri kuda masoja ndo tiri kuda masoja vanonyatsa kutirainisa zvakanaka havachiitire zvatiri kuita zvokusangana nemapurisa kudai mapurisa murodhi hamuchisina mari wakuya kuno kuhuvhu ndokwakutekwa eno vanotusvika kwamusarwa nezuro wakati vanhu budai ende musarwa hanozotengesa huvhu kuti wakazoisiwa kupi hatizivi nekuti kuno mapurisa ndo vanenge vatotora achinotengesa kupi murodhi vanhu tine nzara asi kutomboita mudzimba mumba mangu inini ndine vanhu vazukuru 6 ini nemwana wangu 4 vataita 10 pota iri 1 saka isu tiri kutambudzika kuti kutenge 10 kg nechi ne180 ndinoidya 4 days yapera saka tatambudzika isusu vanhu vamwari ngatibatsire ipapo takuda ni masoja ndo takuda
mapurisa atitambudza izvozvo ndiri kubva kwaFootway mutown dzaita mota dzemapurisa dzokwana kuita 4 dzichituta hupfuma Footway takangomira paFootway Black Boots ikauya ikaitorayo raini kusvikira zvino hubvu hwavharwa kwaFootway ndadzoka futi taapano wosikwana futi ndizvozvo mapurisa yezvino tinawo kumaraini kwedu kwamapurisa kutengesa 10 kg 190 cash saka unochiya kuti yezvino vana vakavhura ndinongori nehupfu hunobika 2 days zvokuti ndakutoperwa ndine vana vadiki 2 years ne3 years nevamwe vakuru ava 3 ndotochiya kuti ndovapachii kutaura kwacho izvozvo mapurisa ari kuvharira vanhu parodhi zvinabvako vachava kuti takuda munhu ane tsamba inoenda mutown zvino tsamba yacho ndinyorwa nani chinotsvagira vana hupfu nekuti vanoda kuti ivo ndotora hupfu kutown weya kuno kotengesa hupfu yava kuita 190 ende zvinova zvinhu zvaakushungurudza zvakanyanyisa mukurarama kwatiri kuita nemhuri mudzimba tiri kuda kugara sekumataurwa zvakaitwa namutungamiri venyika but mapurisa chaiwo ndovakutoti shoda vatombomabvisa kupinda hako masoja pamwe zvingaite nani
sesidubekile even labamashops kabafuni iswipe le-ecocash bafuna icash emabhenki akula mali iproblem number 1 yiwo amapholisa impuphu ikhona but isidliwa ngamapholisa sithina sila khona ukuthi uzuza 10 yokuthi uyekudlala abantwana kasilayo impuphu they are so corrupt they were removed from the roads now they are coming to milk us here from buying meal and selling it at a very high price 190 for a 10 kg while if they've bought that for 70 bond which is very unfair. We don't need them anymore. Let's try the army. Let's give the army a chance. Baby bezosilungisa sesidinwa sick and tired sivuke kuseni 3 am saline ko Footway bathatha impuphu yonke yabo i-riot yabo i-Black Boot bangena futhi bathenga kwasekusithwa sekuvaliwe wa diabetic wa hypertensive asidlanga litho since morning. This is very unfair. We are appealing to the president, His Excellency, that something should be done by this corrupt ZRP. We no longer have faith in them. We don't want them. Where Milimid is concerned, Sebechiya police station milling around lapho kule mpuphu khona. Is that their core business? So we're sick and tired of them. We are passing a vote of no confidence in this ZRP. They are so corrupt.
Paufu panapa wakawanda utengesi chazvazvo because time yetinomira panapa yakawandisa. Tinofanira kutora time diki vanhu vototengesa ufu hwavo zviri proper vanhu voenda kumusha but tinotora time yakareba takangounganidzwa ufu hwacho vamwe vanopinda vanobuda tutu mapurisa ndiwo anotanga kuwana futi ufu hwacho anokondrora isusu vanhu takangomira tisina chetinodi chatinowana saka ngazvigadziriswe zvozvoti plus kana ufu chaiwo kana ngahundewo mumasection tisanyanya kuungana sezvizvi ufu ukapinda mumasection tinotenga ufu hwedu nenguva diki hatiungani tikati section ufu uchiuya vokondoravo panenge pane vanhu kana kuti 50 zvine zviri nani asi tarira mawandira takaita iko zvino saka chero chirwere chacho tokwanisa kungopanana tichizodzana chirwere.
So imuma moshe here kuti muchawana chirwere
chero ndodi kumba kwacho hakuna kaufu chendiri kuda ufu kuti ndiwane kuramba ndikagara kumba kwacho futi ndofane zvara saka zvakangofanira kusiri kufande kupi kwese kufa nokuti kumba kwacho vana vacho havana ufu indakabva kumusha kusera zuro handina kana kumbotoshanda mumba macho hamutorina ufu takatarira dukwe nedzimwe nyika dzetinoona kumatv korona inouraya haisiyo kutamba nayo kupreventa kugara mudzimba asi chinozoita kuti munhu abude mumba inyaya yekuti muna musina chokubata asi corona inouraya haitambi because kana pazuva pachifa vanhu 500 sevabuda kuitari 900 something per day isusu tichine ropa rakanaka kuti hatina tine vanhu 2 oni muzimbabwe 1 wanzi wafa saka ngatitende mwari kuti mwari unesu
hayi ngilayini isikhathi esifitshane nje kuphela hayi lami ngiyatha kakhulu njengesizalwane sezimbabwe kubana ngithole impuphu sibonga lamapholisa asithe asicontrola lapha kubana singabi levikorweni kakhulu ngiyatha kakhulu ukusupporta ikhampani yeGwanda ukuthi ayilumelanga bathu lami ngidlala imuli yami kuli-holiday esiyiphiwe ka-21 days sivikele icorona
kulabanye abathi bathathu layini ayihambi kuyaminywana wena uyithole njani
hayi bengilayinile abantu bahlupha ngokuthi abafuni ukucontrola ngamapholisa nje kuphela abafuni ukulalela amapholisa so sebonga uminyana la ngendlela asicontrola ngayo amapholisa abantu sephonga uminyana kuphela abasalaleli amapholisa so sokusiba nzima ukuthi umuntu athole impuphu ngenxa yokuthi abe-HIV icorona elandisa kuphela kodwa hayi ngalayini kuhle kuhle impuphu ayithola
ibengathi umuntu at least engathenga even 5 kuyaba ngcono because uyakwazi ukuthi uzishalele endlini usizidlele impuphu yakho so bangathi 1 manje kuyabangela ukuthi umuntu uyakwazi ukubuya layini alokho so yiko kozabangela ukuthi kuwele kumemetheka kwemkhuhlane lo so singakwanisa ukuthi umuntu engathenga even 3 or 2 and above at least kungcono uyakwazi ukushala endlini usiziphekele impuphu yakho I think ngibona bangayenza njalo kuyabe ku right
abaningi ungathenga 5 akukwani
but bengizuthi ngale kwayeshilo uzeni i10 ton so i10 ton labantu balapha vele ma ukuthi kusekhaya abantu abahola lawana bayathola izinto eziningi but kungapheli corruption ukuthi ayakwanisa ukwenza corruption ukuthi bathi 1 okuseleyo bazayenza even amadila akho noko manje so siyabe sifuna ukuthi kuwe fair umuntu akwanisa ukulokuza ukuthi athenge into enkwanile for 21 days at least sizakwanisa ukushala ezindlini silempuphu because impuphu into eqhakathekile kakhulu ngiyabona bangayenza njalo kuyaba kungcono
thanks
all right but abantu even abasemazweni emabhoda lapha bangabuya manje kashangana lawo manje anti yiko kule mkhuhlane kakhulu inamba enkulu ele abantu abane mkhuhlane so bangabuya lapha lokho ngiyabona ukuvala amabhoda yiko esingathi kungcono because umkhuhlane lo uvela le phetshiya so bangathi abantu bona lawo bamele khona ngale thina sime khona lapha until ama-days angikhona angakwana ukuthi akusela umkhuhlane at least ngiyabona ukuthi kuyaba kungcono
aneframe ngo-10 ekuseni nogasi nompuphu yonke into le fuel igaraji nanti akula fuel sesiplana nokupaka izimoto asikwazi ukuthi senzeni la manzi ezindlini akula manzi siyahlupheka vela sikwazi ukuthi senze njani
igasi naleli ithenga imali
igasi la ngikwazi lami ngidubo mnami khona pho sekucineni akakantshenge moto ayi 55 moto ayimalini angikwazi lutho vele lami akunzima lokho inzima impilo lesiphilayo le
phela ukuthi walihlala ezindlini nalibuya lizolayina khona
sizahlala njani ezindlini thina siyapheka ngani siyapheka ngani amagetsi akhona edula siyapheka ngani akuna nto esiyapheka ngayo phela sipheka ngegasi nale igasi elibona silanele khona plus impuphu asila mpuphu sifuna isitshwala yeke siphila borayisi irayisi laba senzani abantu akwathi istable food eZimbabwe vele yisitshwala
so linalithi uhulumende enze
hayi sithe sizame khona okasizame ngakho khona okunje abesizame ngakho yakhona impuphu lamanzi sifuna impuphu lamanzi plus le gasi nalesilayinele khona into esifuna khona
so aluyesa kumkhuhlane kodwa corona lo
umkhuhlane wecorona siyawubona but njengoba thina abanye sakaze sigade ama-free machine siyawubona ngako njengoba thi uvela phetsheya le China thina abanye i-free machine vele asiyazi vele asikazi isikade i-free machine corona yebo siyayisaba but lapha asikaboni umuntu olawo nje abantu singakaboni umuntu olawo nje ibhlawa asikaboni umuntu olawo njengokuthi uthi icorona ithelelana ngokuthi libaningi khona abantu ngakuthi khona ngasonke sesilayo ngoba abaningi abantu bethimula bebathimula amadlozi bebathimula nangikwazi mina lami ngakuthi ayicorona sonke vele silayo khona anyali sibele but ukudla asila kudla endlini sisebehlaleleni ezindlini ngizolayinela igasi khona bothi 55 kg angina sent angikholanga
This is only day 2 of the lockdown, and we hope that this issue of mealie is going to improve as the day go by or as weeks go by, because without the good supply of mealie, we are going to have problems of people moving around, crowding, gathering to buy mealie. Some of the people that we talked to, they say despite the fact that the government has said shops will remain open in town, they cannot access town because there are roadblocks, and they're told to go back into their suburbs where they are forced to queue long hours in large numbers looking for mealie.
Basic information on COVID-19. 1. How can one tell if they suspect it? The case definitions are based on the current information available and will be revised as soon as new information accumulates. 2. Suspect case. A. A patient with acute respiratory illness, fever, and at least one sign or symptom of respiratory disease. For example, cough, shortness of breath, and a history of travel to or residence in a country or area or territory reporting local transmission of COVID-19 disease during the 14 days prior to symptom onset. Or B, a patient with any acute respiratory illness and having been in contact with a confirmed or probable COVID-19 case in the last 14 days prior to onset of symptoms. Or C, a patient with severe acute respiratory infection, fever, at least one sign or symptom of respiratory disease. For example, cough, shortness of breath, and requiring hospitalization, and with no other etiology that fully explains the clinical presentation. Confirmed case, a person with laboratory confirmation of COVID-19 infection, irrespective of clinical signs and symptoms. The City of Bulawayo Health Service Department, HSD, requires your cooperation and assistance in ensuring that suspected cases are diagnosed early and necessary infection control measures and contact tracing are followed to prevent the spread of the disease.